Today we're looking at increasing and decreasing by a percentage using set 1.2 from the textbook. Increasing means make something larger and decreasing means make something smaller. We're going to start with a worked example around an increase. It says calculate an increase to $76 by 15%. So that $76 makes 100% of the original product. And we're going to be adding an extra 15% on. So you can notice by increasing by 15%, that number's going to get bigger. So we need to add those numbers. So we're actually going to find 115% of the product. To do that, we need to divide it by 100 to get that percentage to a decimal, which is 1.15. What we then do is we multiply that decimal by the original figure. And it gives you an answer of $87.40. And because it's an increase, we should find that our answer is larger. Let's look at a decrease. Sarah bought a car for $7,500 and sold it 4 years later at a discount of 30%. Calculate how much she sold the car for. So the car was originally $7,500 and that formed 100%. But we are discounting it or decreasing it by 30%. So we're actually making it smaller by 30%. So what we have is if we make it smaller by 30%, we're actually finding 70%. And we are subtracting those percentages. To find 70% of a number, we need to convert that percentage to a decimal, and we need to multiply it again by the original price. So what is 70% of 7,500? The answer is 5,250. And that would be correct because the answer should be smaller because we have decreased. And that is how you increase and decrease by a percentage.